Hello everyone, my name is Sohail Shaikh from MCA A batch. Today I'll be presenting the Rapid Application Development Model or RAD model as part of software engineering, advanced software engineering. Model is a software development methodology that focuses on rapid prototyping and iterative development. It majorly emphasizes on quick delivery of functional software while adapting users' feedback. The approach of ideal for situations where time-to-time market is critical and requirements are well defined too. For an example, it is often used in developing mobile apps that require frequent updates to meet one's users' need. The RAD model or the Rapid Application Development Model was emerged in 1990s as an alternative to the very traditional model waterfall model. It gained popularity because of its ability to handle changing requirements effectively, unlike the waterfall model. RAD also allows developers to create working prototypes that can continuously improved based on users' feedback. Once RAD also has a leverage tools like visual development environment, pre-built components, and code generators to speed up the process. For an example, let's take an online banking platform where RAD model is often used to ensure rapid delivery of services while incorporating users' feedback quickly. Moving forward with key principles of RAD model. The RAD model is based on three core principles. Joint application development, which also stands for JAD. The other says time boxing, and the final is reusable components. In joint application development, this involves collaboration among developers, business analysts, and end users to define clear requirements and their project goals. While in time boxing, as it is related to time, the tasks are assigned fixed time limits to maintain momentum and avoid majority of delays. Reusable components, it says instead of building everything from scratch, developers use pre-built libraries and frameworks which reduces efforts and time. For example, let's say in e-commerce development or any sort of e-commerce website, RAD model ensures rapid creations of reusable modules like shopping carts, payment gateways, sign-in, login, and all those features are pre-built in it. Moving forward with phases of RAD model. The RAD model operates in four key phases: requirement planning phase, user design phase, rapid construction phase, and cutover phase. Requirement planning phase is where the team defines business needs, the project's scopes, and gathers users' requirement. The everything which is needed in the project is seen in requirements planning phase. The next comes the user design phase. Over here, the creativity comes into forefront. It interfaces are created and prototypes are developed based on users' feedback. Again, the next is rapid construction phase, which is built to integrate system components. System components are built and tested iteratively. Adjustments are made based on the feedback during this phase. The final is the cutover phase, where testing and deployment is done. This is the stage where the software undergoes final testing, deployment, and user training. Let's take an example in healthcare. In healthcare, RAD model helps to develop patient portals by iteratively refining features based on input from doctors, administrators, patients, the nurses, and providers. The advantages in RAD models are faster development, increased user satisfaction, and flexibility and adaptability. The faster development says it's the rapid prototyping accelerates the process by reducing overall development time. Increased user satisfaction is somewhere where active user involvement ensures the product meets real world needs and satisfies the consumer. Flexibility and adaptability says the RAD model has an iterative nature, allows for flexibility. It easily adapts to changing requirements, which is easy for developers to incorporate feedback and make necessary adjustments throughout the process. Despite of strengths in RAD model, there are few limitations as well. The limitation says it requires highly skilled teams, including developers and designers. High user involvement is crucial, which make not always be feasible. It is also not suitable for large, complex projects due to challenging in scaling. And for small scale projects, the cost of prototyping tools also resources may outweigh the benefits. For an example, developing a large enterprise resource planning system might exceed the RAD model's capacity to handle complexity because it is majorly used for a small burden project, which can be easily done. Now, over here, let's see how the RAD model works in real world scenarios. Let's take an example of financial scenario. In financial services, RAD has helped build one online banking platforms and mobile payment apps that adapt quickly to user needs. In e-commerce, we have development of websites and inventory systems that can keep up with dynamic market trends. And finally, the healthcare. The RAD model in healthcare is used systems like electronic health records, ensuring they meet specific requirements of patients and healthcare providers and administrators as well. All these three are the examples of how the RAD's iterative nature allows for flexibility and faster time to market. To summarize, the RAD model is an excellent choice for projects with well-defined requirements and a need for quick delivery. Its iterative process, users' involvement, and adaptability makes it highly effective in various industries. However, it also requires skilled team and it is also very much less suitable for large complex projects. Thank you guys. For your thank you guys. Thank you so much for your attention. Hope you understood why is RAD model so important.